I have written Being a Student book, and it is available on Notion, Amazon, and Flipkart. I will of course add the links in the description. But in this video, I will let you know what is inside this particular book and why I wrote it. But before that, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button as well. So, being a student, okay, being a student, the meaning of it is not only for a student, first of all, because many people might think it is only for students, but it is for all the people who think that they can learn for each and every time. Okay, because I believe in being a student means it is a lifetime concept. Every time in the life we are exploring new things, we are learning and figuring out new things, right? So it is on the reality aspect that most of the people are not talking about, and we are just ignoring, right? So I can give certain examples what is inside this book. We have 5 sections. The first is ground zero, if we are starting from the very beginning, because every time we start something new, these steps will get repeated. Okay, so it's better to know the process than the learning curve, how we learn. That has certain things like you have to think about herd mentality, then execute whatever it takes, challenge your challenges, don't be consistent. This is also one of the important chapters. Means 43 chapters are there, 43 realistic chapters that you cannot miss. Okay, so this is the main thing. And some things builders, there is their reality for you. Okay, the last thing is reality aspect as well, because it is not only about what you are going to do, but understand the reality aspect as well. Still, I only got to add some reality. There are much more things, but still I just added some part of it, but many things are still pending. But yeah, hope so we will do it later on. But yeah, like this book is there. Okay, you can read it. It is available in paperback format and even hardcover as well. But yeah, the main thing is why I wrote this particular book. First of all, I wanted to write a book, and if it is something non-technical which can be utilized by anyone, not only by students but anyone who is stuck in between and want to try something new, want to start something from scratch, so this book will be definitely good to go. That's what I personally think. It is my perspective, but yeah, still it depends on you what you want. But yeah, I just thought to give you an update that I have wrote one book and it is launched and available on the online platforms. Okay, so this is not only about a particular thing but overall thing in general. While we are in the process, means we are achieving some goals or else anything we are trying to do, you will get these things that you will face, and every time this might get repeated because the process is the same, right? So it's better to understand the main things that we skip. And yeah, this is how it goes. So if you want, you can just get it. But yeah, this was the book for you guys, and I'm really thankful to you because I got to write this book. So thanks for watching this video, and we will meet in the next one. Till then, grow, learn, and explore together.